Are you a fan of mystery and the unexplained? Do you love learning about the world and all of its fascinating facts? If so, then Unbalanced Stories is the perfect place for you. Join us as we dive deep into the mysteries of the world and uncover the unknown. From strange and unexplained phenomena to mind-blowing facts about our planet and beyond, we've got it all. But it's not just about the mysteries and the unknown. Unbalanced Stories are also about sharing knowledge and educating our audience. We believe that learning should be fun and engaging, and that's why we present our content in an entertaining and easy-to-understand way. Every 2 days once, we'll release new episodes featuring a variety of topics, from ancient civilizations and lost cities to modern-day mysteries and unexplained events and unsolved mysteries and some interesting facts and motivational stories. We'll also delve into the science behind some of the world's most fascinating phenomena and bring you the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. But we don't just stick to the facts, we also bring in outside perspectives and opinions from experts in their fields to give you a well-rounded view of the topic at hand. You'll get to hear from scientists, historians, and other specialists as we explore the mysteries of the world. Our team of expert researchers and writers work tirelessly to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information on all of the mysteries and facts we cover. In addition to our weekly Mysteries and Facts episodes, we also bring you a variety of other types of content from DIY projects and life hacks and movie story explanation. There's something for everyone on Unbalanced Stories, so whether you're looking to satisfy your curiosity about the unknown or just want to be entertained and inspired, Unbalanced Stories have you covered. Subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Unbalanced Stories.